Love as God. Yes, sir. That red box cutter. Fresh new pack. You know what time it is. Time for another unboxing and review with your kicks plug forever Myrick, aka CM Bray. And this video is sponsored by Glory Run Brand. Please like and share the content if you like this video. And don't forget to subscribe to become a part of the Kicks Plug Talk fam. Salute to Nike.com for the expeditious shipping. Today, guys, we got the Nike Reverse Protro 6 Grinch. John, yes, sir. This is very anticipated shoe for the holiday season. Crazy. Oh man. Just tell you the scales on. Hold on, let's get this smell test. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's get these joints on the stage. Let's get these Johns on the stage. All right. So this shoe was originally designed by Eric Avar, one of the legendary Nike designers. Him and Kobe put their heads together and came with some classics, man. With this Protro 6, man, like you could really see the scales pop on this red versus the green ones. The green ones you can see them, but the red just got that carbon fiber right there, baby. Got the Kobe logo back there. Got that Kobe signature logo in the back. I mean, this shoe is crazy, man. I would go as far as to say that it's better than the green. Although I love the green, but this red, man, with the green laces. So look at the scale. Look how the scales pop on there. Crazy. You know what I'm saying? Oh man. This shoe released on December 15th. Got the scale. See what I'm saying? The logo. This released on December 15th for the retail price of $190 and $125 for kids and adults. I mean, I tell you, man, this is definitely a hot joint. Give you that spin around. I hope you guys was able to get your hands on these if you're a real Kobe fan. I know it's crazy, man, with the resellers and out there. Until next time, it's your Kicks Plug forever Myrick, aka CM Bray. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more Kicks Plug Talk content.